Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to start 5th chapter, Quality. So in today's video, I'll share the summary of this chapter. So basically this story is about a German shoemaker, Gessler, and his brother who lives in London. They had a fashionable shop and they make shoes themselves. So the story starts with the description of the boot shop. There was no sign on the shop except Gessler Brothers nameplate and a few shoes displayed on the window. They make shoes on order. The narrator narrates one of his meetings with Gessler. So once he went to his shop to order a pair of shoes for himself. He asked Gessler, was it not hard to make shoes of different size? So Gessler said that to make different size of shoes is an art. Then the author asked him to make a pair of Russian leather boots. Gessler brought a piece of gold brown leather to show him, and the author approved it. Gessler asked him the time that when he wanted the shoes ready. So the author told him the time and went to his way. After some days, on given time, he came and took the shoes. Then after some time, he came again and complained about the shoes which he bought from his shop. The shoemaker was shocked and surprised to know that there was damage in his shoes. So he said, bring those pair of shoes to me. I'll repair them, otherwise I'll return the price. So when the narrator took the shoes to him, he recognized them at once and said that these shoes were not of his boot. He touched on the author's shoes where it was not comfortable for the author. Then he discussed the condition and hardship of his trade and told that how big companies do their business only by advertisement, not by work. Then the author explained that under what condition he had to buy the shoes. Then he took a new pair of shoes and went away. The new shoes lasted nearly about 2 years. When he visited again to the shoemaker shop, he saw another nameplate on the shop. So as he went inside, he saw Gessler's brother. He asked him about Gessler. So the younger Gessler told him that Mr. Gessler had died. That on that day he ordered several shoes, and after that he went to abroad. Around 1 year later, the author returned and went to the shoemaker shop. Now Gessler was too old to recognize him at first. So now this time the narrator ordered many pairs. When the shoemakers made the shoes, they were the best in fitting and quality of the leather. So the author sent the amount of shoes to him. After a week, while passing the street, the author thinks to go inside and tell him that those shoes were the best. But when he reached the place where the shop was, he saw another nameplate. So he went inside and saw that there was a young man. So the author asked about Gessler. So that young man told him that Gessler died from starvation. He died in the lack of food and care, but he worked till his death. So the narrator was shocked and surprised, but both the narrator and the young man agrees that the Jesler brothers made good quality boots. This is the summary of this chapter. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.